Hey everyone, I am Victor. Today we're diving into the world of Nikola Tesla's 369 Hz frequency and theories. If you've never heard of this before, you're in for a real treat. Tesla was one of the greatest minds of the 20th century, and his discoveries continue to fascinate and inspire people around the world. So what is the 369 Hz frequency, and why is it so important? Well, according to Tesla, it is the key to the universe and holds the secrets of energy, vibration, and resonance. To understand the significance of these numbers, we need to start by examining the fundamental building blocks of the universe. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, which vibrates at different frequencies. These vibrations can be measured and quantified using numbers. One of the most important numbers in this context is the number 3. This number represents the basic structure of the universe, as it is made up of 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. These dimensions are what allow us to perceive the physical world around us. The number 6, on the other hand, represents the way energy is structured in the universe. It is the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in an atom, which are the basic building blocks of matter. The way these particles are arranged determines the properties of matter, such as its density, color, and conductivity. The number 9 is particularly interesting, as it represents the highest level of vibration in the universe. It is the number that all other numbers collapse into, as it is the final digit in the decimal system. This number represents the highest level of consciousness and spiritual enlightenment, which is why it holds such a special place in many spiritual traditions. Now that we have a basic understanding of the significance of these numbers, let's examine the 369 theory more closely. According to this theory, these 3 numbers hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. The theory is based on the idea that everything in the universe is energy, and that this energy vibrates at different frequencies. By understanding the frequencies of these vibrations, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and harness its power. To understand this theory, we need to start with the number 3. This number represents the basic structure of the universe, as we mentioned earlier. It is also the number of vibrations required to create a pattern. For example, if we want to create a simple pattern, we need to vibrate a string 3 times. This creates a triangle, which is the simplest pattern that can exist in the physical world. The speed at which a string vibrates depends on various factors such as its tension, length, and density. When a string is plucked, it begins to vibrate back and forth, creating sound waves that travel through the air. The frequency of the sound wave is determined by the rate at which the string vibrates. The faster the string vibrates, the higher the frequency of the sound. For example, if a string vibrates 100 times in 1 second, its frequency would be 100 Hz. If the string vibrates faster, say 1000 times per second, its frequency would be 1000 Hz. The human ear can detect sounds with frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, although this range can vary between individuals and can decrease with age. Understanding the relationship between string vibration and sound wave frequency is important for musicians, acousticians, and physicists. Tesla believed that the universe was composed of positive, negative, and neutral forces, and that these forces were in a state of equilibrium. He referred to this as the law of 3, which he believed was the fundamental principle behind all of creation. Tesla believed that understanding the power of 3 was the key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. He applied this magic number to the movement of planets, seeing the cosmos as a vast dance choreographed by the number 3. Planets in our solar system, according to Tesla, come in 3 distinct types. First type rocky, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Second type gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and third type dwarf planets Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. Each planet also spins on 3 axes: the equator, polar axis, and orbital axis, creating an intricate interplay of forces that give rise to the cosmic ballet we witness today. In the world of matter, Tesla saw the number 3 reflected in the 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. For him, solid matter represented stability, liquid matter flowed like a river, and gas was the most energetic and chaotic of all states. Tesla's theories may seem otherworldly, but they speak to a fundamental truth about the universe. The power of 3 is woven into its very fabric. It is a beautiful reminder that the cosmos is a symphony, and every note is essential to the grandeur of the whole. The magic of 6. Nikola Tesla believed that the universe was enchanted with the mystical power of the number 6. For Tesla, 6 represented a divine balance between the spiritual and physical, a perfect harmony that he saw reflected in everything from the human body to the cosmic vibrations of the universe. Tesla's fascination with the magic of 6 stemmed from his belief that this number was the key to understanding the underlying harmonies and vibrations that govern the universe. He believed that every frequency had a harmonic frequency 6 times higher, a phenomenon that he saw as a testament to the divine order of the cosmos. He saw the number 6 in the human body, with its 6 primary chakras, each responsible for regulating the flow of energy through the body and associated with different aspects of physical and emotional well-being. Despite his unconventional views, Tesla's insights into the magic of 6 were based on his own observations, experiments, and studies of ancient spiritual traditions. His understanding of the fundamental balance and harmony of the universe remains an inspiration to this day, inviting us to ponder the mysteries of the cosmos and our place in it. While the numbers 3 and 6 were important, Tesla believed that the number 9 was the most mysterious and powerful of all. He saw it as a kind of cosmic balance point that held the universe together. He believed that 9 represented a kind of doorway or gateway between the physical and spiritual worlds, and that by understanding this number, one could gain access to a universal source of energy and knowledge. Tesla saw the universe as a vast, interconnected system, in which energy flowed in a never-ending cycle. He believed that by tapping into this energy, which he referred to as radiant energy or cosmic energy, one could unlock untold power and achieve great things. While Tesla's ideas about the number 9 and its spiritual significance may seem unconventional, they reflect his deep curiosity and interest in the mysteries of the universe. Whether or not his ideas have any scientific basis is a matter of debate, but there is no denying the significant impact that Tesla had on the development of modern technology. In mathematics, the number 9 is the only number that, when multiplied by any other single-digit number and the digits of the result are added together repeatedly, will always result in 9. For example, 9 by 7 equals 63, and 6 plus 3 equals 9. This property of the number 9 is also known as the digital root or repeated digital sum. It means that the resulting sum, obtained by adding the digits of a multiplication of 9 and any other single-digit number, will always be 9 or a multiple of 9. For example, 9 by 2 equals 18, and 1 plus 8 equals 9 and 9 by 3 equals 27. And 2 plus 7 equals 9 and 9 by 369 equals 3321, and 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 9 and 9 by 432 equals 3888, and 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 27 equals 9 and so on. This property of the number 9 is not only interesting but also useful in some mathematical applications, such as checking the accuracy of calculations or validating credit card numbers. In the latter case, credit card numbers are designed to satisfy a certain formula that involves adding up the digits in a specific way, and a multiple of 9 can be used to check if the card number is valid. The number 9 has a fascinating connection to various aspects of the universe, including time and space. Here are some examples. How many seconds are in an hour, day, and year? There are 3,600 seconds in an hour, 86,400 seconds in a day, and 31,536,000 seconds in a year. If we add the digits of each of these numbers repeatedly, we end up with a multiple of 9. For example, 3,600 seconds in an hour, 3 plus 6 equals 9. 86,400 seconds in a day, 8 plus 6 plus 4 equals 18, 1 plus 8 equals 9. 31,536,000 seconds in a year, 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 equals 18, 1 plus 8 equals 9. Speed of light. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 186,282 miles per second. If we take the digits of this number and add them repeatedly, we end up with 9. There is a theory say that the universe vibrates at a frequency of 432 Hz. Proponents of this theory suggest that 432 Hz is a natural frequency that is in harmony with the universe, and that music tuned to this frequency can have healing effects on the mind and body. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. As well as for the 369 Hz frequency. According to the 369 theory, these three numbers hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe because they represent the basic building blocks of energy and matter. By understanding these numbers and the way they interact with each other, we can harness the power of the universe and unlock its secrets. One way to do this is to focus our energy and attention on these numbers. For example, if we want to attract abundance into our lives, we can focus on the number 3, which represents creation and manifestation. If we want to enhance our intuition and spiritual awareness, we can focus on the number 9, which represents higher consciousness and enlightenment. There is a popular belief that writing down a positive affirmation of your desired outcome, 3 times in the morning, 6 times at noon, and 9 times before bed, while maintaining faith in your goal, will lead to its manifestation. However, it's important to note that achieving your dreams requires more than just reciting affirmations. While positive self-talk can help with mindset and motivation, taking concrete action towards your goal and maintaining a positive attitude are equally important in realizing your aspirations. Another way to harness the power of these numbers is through technology. I believe that by understanding the frequencies of these vibrations, we can create devices that can tap into the power of the universe and harness its energy. For example, he conducted experiments with resonant frequencies, which involve using vibrations to create a powerful resonance that can be used to transmit energy wirelessly. In these experiments, he discovered that certain frequencies, such as those based on the numbers 3, 6, and 9, had a particularly powerful effect. By harnessing these frequencies, he was able to create devices that could transmit energy wirelessly over long distances, without the need for wires or other physical connections. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the world, as it could be used to provide clean, renewable energy to people all over the world. By tapping into the power of the universe and harnessing its energy, we could create a world without pollution, without dependence on fossil fuels, and without the need for centralized power grids. Of course, this technology is still in its early stages, and much work needs to be done to refine it and make it practical for everyday use. But I believe that with time and dedication, we can unlock the full potential of these numbers and harness the power of the universe for the benefit of all. In conclusion, the 369 theory is based on the idea that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold the key to understanding the universe's mysteries. These numbers represent the basic building blocks of energy and matter, and by understanding their frequencies and interactions, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and harness its power. Whether through meditation and spiritual practice or through technology and scientific experimentation, we have the potential to tap into the power of these numbers and create a better, more sustainable world for ourselves and for future generations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.